Una when be say una dey Europe, na dey bomb, una never stable. How una take dey do am? You dey camp, you never stable. Okay, they say, hey, if person get picky, they give a document. You born one. Okay, the document you don't see. You born the second one, the document you don't see. Okay, you born the second picky, you don't use that one. Arrange your sense. You still born the third one. Document you don't see. You born the fourth one. The document still you don't still see. Now you can't make plans to move, come on for the country again, go on that country. Maybe if you still reach that other country where you go, you still born Jonah. Una when be say on the bomb for Europe. Okay, I speak there now as I get work now. Even the work when I do say. Even the work when I although the salary is manageable. I'll say now mumu they worry me. Say children, all those una ask the they say children are blessing from God. I'll go born for this one when I day. I'll go born for. At the end of the day, if I can't reach us, children, they don't let me hear what. Or in the name of children are blessing from God. Una when be say una dey some certain country, when be say una don't know how much for pampers, una don't know how much for light bill, una don't know how much for gas bill. I don't know what they worry una. How una even take they breathe? Una not get document, una not stable for the country. Una still get mind to bring another person called life. When be say, hey, so Nigerians, so Nigerians, that generational curse, when be say they curse some of una never see wise. You don't learn from your family. Your family when you get it. Now based on say this not go well. Now you enter water come Europe side. As you come the Europe side now. You still where your family for stop. You still continue from there. You dey bomb. Yes now. Children, they are blessing from God. Children they are blessing from God. Now blessing from okay, you born 4, you born 5, you don't trade them, Okay, God from heaven come down, go trade them for you. See, some people I need to get sense for this abroad. I need to get sense. I need to get sense. Before I be they blame so white people when we see they don't they bomb. Now when we can enter inside life, how life of a man when we say he get children, now I can't say now I can't say the decision when we say person just take for this life. I know when they say I want to advise the person why is the reason why you don't bomb. But if you too bomb many, when they say you don't stable your life, you are the biggest fool ever. For those of you who say that they Europe, sorry to say that because of the video when I watch for TikTok, now it make me they do this video. Una here.